How to use Telegram Passkeys login in 2026. Well, Telegram has enabled Passkeys login for now. So first, make sure you want to update your application. So make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Head into your Play Store or App Store and do that. Then proceed to open up Telegram and head into the login page. On the login page, as usual, Telegram will ask you to enter in your country code and your phone number and continue. However, you can also find the login with Passkeys option down up. You can see, tap on it. Once you select login with passkey, you'll get the QR code there, one-time QR code. You want to scan it with your device. Scan this QR code with a compatible device to sign into Telegram. So you want to scan it from your main device, that QR code on Telegram. So if you open up Telegram, right, on your Telegram where you are logged in, you want to head into settings. Once you head into settings, you'll be able to see various options. Tap on devices and you'll be able to see these options. So if you select link option here, you'll be able to get the option to scan. You can scan it and you can proceed to link your account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.